Hello, it's Lori with Giggle Girl Arts. So last time I drew a border tuck with insert, a game piece, a book page, and napkin or tissue to decorate it with. And Julie had a mini challenge in the challenge with making a journal cover with 2 envelopes. So I was going through my journal and I don't really need any more border tucks in it. So I thought I'll go ahead and start a third journal to work on. And I don't know if I'll get this one done, but at least, I won't be adding more into a journal, something that it doesn't need. So what we have to do, we have to use 2 envelopes and 6 different kinds of paper for a collage cover, collage master board cover. So you can kind of see here, these are the 2 envelopes that I used. And I'm starting collaging on the cover. So I am going to pull out 6 different kinds of paper and work on that in time lapse. Okay, I'm pretty sure, if I didn't say this before, we also need to include some fabric. Which I have I think I might use this fabric. It's got applique on it. And I need to use up the rest of it. And then I've also got, so I got this fabric with applique. I've got some lace, and they're both actually from the same tablecloth. Or I might use this fabric. And then we have to use fabric, lace, some DearJulieJulie digitals. Now on her, she showed us that she put a pocket inside and decorated the cover inside as well. So I think I'm gonna do inside cover part. right, so I added some ribbon for the closure, and I finished decorating the front. It has lace and fabric, and then a cluster of some Dear Julie Julie's digitals. And let's see, this little part came from Spring Flowers. This, I believe, was in the Dear Julie Julie Scrap All About It Facebook group. The postcard, I believe, was from Antique Daisies. So yeah, I'm really liking that. Now I thought I pulled out one of my little stamps. There it is. It has a poppy on it, but I don't know. I don't think that really goes with the rest of it, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. All right, and then when you open it, I've got fabric for reinforcement. I've got these lace pockets on the back. All right, so that is that. All right, then the next thing I'm going to be working on is what I drew. Where'd it go? It's a border tuck. That's the whole reason I went ahead and did this. Border tuck with a game piece, book page, and napkin or tissue. So that's what'll be coming up next. And actually, before I do that, I'm gonna have to put some pages in here, or at least figure out pages that are going to go in here to do that border tuck on. Alrighty. So make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, be sure to leave a comment, and let me know, yeah, what you think about the little cluster here on the front, on top of the masterboard collage. And then the lace pockets. I've never done this before. My first time doing lace pockets. So yeah. All right, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.